We have here an old heat exchanger, and it's rested on the seams. And these pipes, these three pipes here, all have large holes in those. So I've cut those off the heat exchanger, and I found a company that had some 2¼ inch U-bends, and I've welded these to here and bring them down. And on this one here, I brazed the joint. On the second heat exchanger, I welded the joint. On this third one, I made a clamp to clamp the joint. I have to cover these holes right here, and I've chose to cover those with a furnace cement. And furnace cement is made to handle heat, so once it's clamped in there, it'll cover that hole. And I found that the old tubing was around 35 thousandths inch thick. This new tubing was too thick. It was about 70 thousandths of an inch thick. And the tailpipe expander just didn't have the strength to stretch the pipes that I could just go over top of it and push it on. So one thing I will say, that it wouldn't have been possible without a wire feed welder, or it would have been very slow. As it is right now, this has taken me about 6 hours to do. And there are cracks in here as well, which I had to cover and put rivets on. And the same around this here. And I'll have to seal this better with cement.